Hello and welcome back to the channel. And again, as you come in, don't forget to like up the video, please and thank you. Very important. And again, what we have here is simply a roughing that's going to be taking place. And when it comes to the attic, the installation has to be done to code along with every other installation, same process. And what that means is my 2x4 that I have here, I'm going to be simply placing this 2x4 across the from one end to the other. Reason is I have some wires that I don't want to be damaged. When I say damage, I don't need it to be damaged by someone walking inside of the attic when the installation is finished. Very easy for someone to damage these wires. So the rule states that you have to use some type of running board in order to protect our wires from being damaged, and that's what I'm simply going to be doing in this video. As you can see, the other running board up in the ceiling here, you can see how I place the running board. You can see how I place my wires on the side, neatly strapped down. Again, this is all to the electrical code. This will also help me pass my inspection. So again, stay tuned to the video, watch till the end to see the rest of the installation. And again, keep in mind, this will help me to pass my inspection once I'm ready to book my inspection. So again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the video, please and thank you. So like up the video. What I'm doing is placing my running boards in the attic of the home, which will allow me to pass my inspection. Normally, that's what the attic work. Once the installation is finished and the process is done, there's no telling who's going to walk into the attic, so it's best to always have this done before the drywall is installed. Basically what I'm putting is a running board. Anytime you have the attic, you have to put a running board to protect your wires from being damaged. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. As you can see, it's a high ceiling, so I have to install a running board across wherever my wire is running, so I can obviously protect the wires from being damaged if someone has to walk in the attic or anything like that. basically this is how hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video what I'm simply going to be showing is how I like to place my boxes before I start my wiring. Also how I like to put my vapor barrier in the attic when it comes to my boxes. Very important. And again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also make sure that the notification is turned to all. Also, you can like and share the video, and stay tuned for the entire video, and I will catch you guys on the next live.